Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Wednesday, February 3rd, 2021. Oh my goodness, I still can't hardly believe that. It's Wildcat Wednesday. We've got my Wildcat shirt on. It's so good to be here today. I love how we're talking about relationships all week and how you can make better relationships and make your relationships stronger. We're going to talk about a virtue today that we already talked about this year, but we talked about different things. We didn't really talk about using it to make your relationships better. So I want to talk about that in just a minute. But first, let's do the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you stand up with me? Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You can have a seat. Hey, I was just glancing over at my virtues poster on the wall this morning. And I was looking at it and I thought there's a whole bunch of different virtues, but really when this gets powerful is when you start picking 2 or 3 virtues at a time to use in your life. So this week we're talking about how do you make your relationships better? Make sure you get along with your family and your friends. We talked about love. There's a whole bunch of other ones that we could talk about. Today we're going to talk about thankfulness. Now, we talked about thankfulness a long time ago this school year, and we talked about how being thankfulness can help you feel better. It can help you feel more peaceful. It can help you feel more satisfied with your life. But today we're going to talk about a different kind of, not a different kind, same kind of thankfulness. It's all thankfulness. But what happens when you thank others? So think about this. When you tell somebody thank you for what they've done, that shows them that you really care about them. And that you value your relationship with them, you value the thing that they did. It's a pretty deep thing, and it can really make their whole day. So I want to talk this morning. Who do you need to thank? Do you need to thank your mom for something she's been doing? Do you need to thank your teacher for something amazing they're doing? You know what? Did you have something really cool happen yesterday, and you need to thank that friend that did something cool? So today, take some time to talk with your class. Who do you need to thank? Right? And then also share out a little bit about what do you need to thank them for. And maybe once other people in the class start talking, that might even spark some ideas for you about somebody that you need to thank that you haven't thought of. So here's a slide to remind you of our questions. Who do you need to thank today? And what do you need to thank them for? Have a great day, Achieve.